Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to teach you on how you can turn on or off your X or Twitter sensitive content settings. So make sure to watch the video until the end. Go ahead and open your X application, or you can also go to x.com. Then after, log into your specific account, select more from the left hand side of the screen and open settings and privacy. Then after, go to privacy and safety, which is between security and account access and notifications. Now you need to go ahead and select the option of content you see, which is between your post and mute and block. Here you'll see multiple options, among which the one is display media that may contain sensitive content. Make sure that you check this box right here and you'll be done. Furthermore, you can also open the Explorer settings and then go to search settings and customize each one for you according to your preference. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.